तिब्बत की आजादी, भारत तिब्बत मित्रता, भारत तिब्बत मित्रता, So today is the 71st founding anniversary of People's Republic of China, which is in fact a sad day for all the people who are currently suffering under Chinese regime. And as a matter of fact, we are here to protest against CCP and send out clear message that we reject one China policy and also reject the Chinese authoritarian regime in Tibet. Right now what we have been hearing from Tibet is that almost over half a million of Tibetan people are pushed into labor camps, similar to what's been happening in Uyghur, what's been happening to the people of East Turkestan. So this is something that we have been getting news from Tibet, and at the same time there are a lot of detentions, arbitrary detentions, arrests, unjust arrests in Tibet against those who raise voice against injustice, protection of environments. Right now we are here to protest against CCP. And as these bodies, you can see this symbolizes those millions of people who are killed under Chinese occupation. So this is one of the part of protest, and later we'll be having a round of a peace march along with the head of Xi Jinping.
So today is the 71st founding anniversary of so-called People's Republic of China. So we, as the victim of communist regime, we are protesting against the Communist Party of China. So today this is the part of global campaign. So this movement, Resist China, we more than 200 organizations in and around 36 countries and more than 80 cities. We are organizing this campaign against the communist government. So it's a part of the campaign, and this is organized by the 5 Tibetan NGO based in Dharamshala.